my name is Samantha and this is my persuasive career speech. I would like everyone watching to take a moment and think about how often you floss, and I want you all to be completely honest with yourselves. Most people don't understand the importance of flossing, and today I'm going to explain why you should floss on a daily basis. I will be going over some of the health issues related to not flossing and the cost to correct these issues. I will be going over some of the most common excuses people use for not flossing and giving some solutions. And I will also be giving you the guidance you will need to form a better flossing habit. It is my hope that by the end of the speech, everyone will go floss. So, what are some of the health issues related to not flossing? Flossing allows for the buildup of plaque and tartar. And for those of you that don't know exactly what those are, plaque is a film of bacteria, microscopic food particles, and saliva that builds on your teeth. And if this isn't removed on a daily basis, it will harden and form tartar. Plaque and tartar can form between your teeth and underneath your gum line, eating away at the enamel of your teeth and the soft tissues of your mouth. This can lead to tooth sensitivity, bad breath, and inflammation and bleeding of the gums, also known as gingivitis. And if gingivitis and tooth sensitivity are left unchecked, they'll cause even greater issues, such as infection and disease of the gums and tooth decay. And most people don't know, but the most common place for a cavity to form is actually between your teeth. Some of the more serious health issues related to not flossing are heart attack and stroke. In April of 2012, the American Heart Association released a statement that supported the link between gum disease and heart disease. So, these are some serious health issues, and then if this isn't enough to make you want to go floss, I gathered the cost of a few dental procedures in the Omaha area without insurance from fairhealthcare.org. 30 minutes of anesthesia is going to cost you around $445, and you're going to need the anesthesia for the next couple of procedures. Surgical removal of infected or diseased gums is going to cost you $329 at the least. And to get a cavity filled, it's an average of $922. And to top it all off, you'll most likely need antibiotics, which will cost around $80. This is a grand total of $1,776, and this doesn't include any x-rays, additional exams, or the time of your dentist and the hygienist. So, you can avoid spending this kind of money with a $2 pack of dental floss. A study conducted by the American Dental Association revealed that 51% of Americans don't floss on a regular basis, and that 10% of Americans don't floss at all. In an article on northwestportland.dental.com, Dr. Richard Dietrich listed the 5 most common excuses for people not to floss. This includes not having time to floss, flossing being too painful, believing they don't have to floss, flossing being too difficult, and not knowing how to floss. For those who say that they don't have time, I believe everyone has time to floss. My advice is to combine it with another daily routine, such as when you brush your teeth or when you're in the shower. And for those that say flossing is too painful, the last thing you need to do is stop flossing, because this means you're already on your way to some serious health issues. With about 2 weeks of daily flossing, the pain should subside. And for those that believe they don't have to floss just because they don't get food stuck between their teeth. Just because you don't get food stuck between your teeth doesn't mean that there's still not plaque and tartar forming underneath your gum lines and between your teeth. And for those that find flossing too difficult, I have a couple solutions for you. Wax floss is great for people who find getting the floss between their teeth hard. This is really good for people with closely spaced teeth. And for those that find it hard to maneuver into the back of their mouth, I like floss picks. These are my favorite. And for those that just don't like any kind of floss at all, there's the water pick. The water pick uses a high-powered stream of water to remove debris from between your teeth, and this is actually a lot of fun. And for those that say they don't know how to floss, below this video I will post a link to a tutorial showing you how to floss. So, if you're wondering how do you form a flossing habit, my advice is to set a goal. Set a goal and tell yourself maybe you'll floss every day for a week, or maybe you'll floss every day for a month. After you've set a goal, I advise you keep track of it, whether this is in a journal or on a calendar on your bathroom wall. And I believe you should reward yourself. People associate positive feelings with rewards, so set a goal, and when you reach it, reward yourself. The reward system is really good for teaching little kids or getting little kids into the habit of flossing. So, to tie this up, I have gone over some of the health issues that flossing can prevent and the money you'll save by flossing regularly. I have gone over some of the most common excuses people use not to floss, and now you don't have any reason not to floss. And then I have also given you some advice on forming a better flossing habit. So, I encourage everyone to go floss. Thank you.